Bulok-bulok na yung akin.
If the heart is always searching, can you ever find your home? I've been looking for that someone. I never make it on my dreams. Can't take the place of loving you. It's gonna be a million reasons why it's true. When you look me in the eyes and tell me that you love me, everything's alright. When you're right here by my side, when you look me in the eyes. Tita Beth, pasensya na po at ngayon lang po ako nakapag-comment sa Friendster nyo. At sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo dyan. Ingat lang po kayo and God bless po. Maraming salamat din po sa support. Thank you po.